and good morning and welcome to my everyday makeup routine video. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve my everyday makeup look. It's very quick, it's very easy, I don't waste too much time, so I'm just going to get straight into it. So this is me fresh faced, fresh out the shower. So first of all I just pop on this little headband thing because I've found that with a fringe, I used to just put a hairband on but it makes it go back, whereas this kind of helps flatten it and just works a little bit better and prevents me from getting all the cream and everything I'm going to put on into my hair. So I'm going to film another skincare routine because I feel like I'd want to like talk about it a bit more. So I'm just going to quickly slap on my usual creams. I've got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So I'm just going to pop that on really quickly. It's actually nearly finished, I need to get some more of that. And then my Dermalogica Skin Soothing Cream, which I just love this stuff. Just really rub it in and get the blood pumping. Okay. Down the neck. Okay, so the first thing I do is put on a bit of a base. So I don't wear foundation. I've actually found, I used to wear it, and I've actually found that since I stopped wearing it probably about 4 years ago, my skin is so much better and actually looks better without makeup now. So I tend not to use any at all. But what I do use at the moment, because I'm not seeing much sun, is the anti-pollution sunshine drops from Drunk Elephant. You really don't need much of this at all. Like it can be quite dramatic looking, but I just like it to give me a little bit of colour. But yeah, like I said, even like less than a pea size, like you really don't need very much. But I just feel like it makes me look a little bit more alive. Okay, and then I've also been wearing a bit of the Tinted Serum from Typology. Again, it's just really, really feather light. It just kind of comes in this, like you just need a tiny, tiny bit. And I tend to just put this, because my problem area is under my eyes, I just tend to put it under my eyes. And then maybe a bit on my forehead, just to kind of give a bit of extra coverage. I just usually put everything on with my hands, if I'm honest. Oh, where's my little mirror? Then I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. So I've got terrible eyebrows, like the hair literally grows down. It's really irritating, and I've also not done anything to them at all in lockdown. So if you're looking at them thinking, whoa, then they're just work in progress. Okay, when we get out of this and I get them done, they're gonna look fab, and I just know it. Okay, so what I love about this is that it's like a really, really fine pencil. And just check that's still recording. So I just love that it's such a fine pencil and it doesn't make them look too dark. It's actually one of the only eyebrow, with my eyebrows, I feel like I've tried every product. I've tried like the powder, I've tried pencils, I've tried just using the like mascara one things. But what I really like this is that it darkens it slightly, but it still gives it a really natural look. And it's also quite easy to use and not messy and doesn't go everywhere. So that is always a plus for me. Like, I just have these like bold bits, I don't know. My eyebrows are just so thin on this bit, I just always have to fill it in. So yeah, that's it really. Subtle. And then, to stop my hairs from growing down, I use that Longwear waterproof brow set, just to push them up a bit. I brought this because my friend had it and her eyebrows looked insane, and I do really like it, but I'm not like 100% hooked on it, if that makes sense, to be fair. Yeah, I just try and fluff them up as much as possible really. And that's the brows done. So next, under eye area, my least favourite area. I just find that I have really dark circles all the time. and I can just hardly get rid of them, so I use quite a lot of product on them, to be honest. So first up is the Chanel Corrector, and I just pop a bit of that under my eye, like so. Go in, and this is one of my favourite things. It's the BB Crayon by Erborian. I just really like the texture because it's quite a creamy texture. It sits on the skin nicely, and it really does erase those eye bags. Okay, now to make my eyes look magical. So I'm going to use the Stila the Stila waterproof double-ended waterproof eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, a dark brown liquid eyeliner. What I love about it is that it's got two ends. So you've got a slightly thicker end, and then you've also got the super thin end. So I'm going to use the thin end today because I don't want it to be too dramatic. I just want it to kind of accentuate that upper lid. Okay, so now prepare yourself to see I'm putting on eyeliner face, because I've no idea what I look like when I concentrate doing this. I'm sure it's going to be great. Let's see if I can do it in one sweep. Right, let's go. Challenge is on. Ta-da! How quick was that? I feel like it's really even as well. Okay, next eye. Okay, done. And what you'll see is I don't really flick the ends, I just kind of let it come to a natural kind of end, just really small, just because, yeah, I haven't got time for that. Mascara, I've got two mascaras which I alternate between. I've got this Glossier one, which is the lash stick, which gives your eyelashes like a really kind of subtle natural lift, and then I've got the Stila Magnum XXS mascara, which does what it says, like it makes them really loud and ba-ba-boom, which is great. But today, because I'm literally just going to stay at home, I'm just going to put on the Glossier one for a bit more of a natural look. Like it literally makes you look like you've got a million eyelashes. It's so nice. Okay. So, cheeks. So I love to look like glowy and dewy, but I don't like to see powder. So what I found works really well for this is the Glossier Play. And then I literally just put a little bit up here. This has lasted me for absolutely ages as well. Yeah, and then I just rub it in. And then with the excess, I'll just kind of rub my fingers like on my brow points. And I just feel like, particularly in pictures, it gives you like a really nice kind of dewy glow. And now, just to give myself a bit of blush, I use the Stila cheek tint in, this is Sheer Lillian. And I love this. It's a product where if I could only take one thing to like a desert island, one makeup product to a desert island, I would choose this, because it just gives you such a natural blush without being able to see that you're wearing anything. Like it just looks so natural. Yeah, I absolutely love it and I swear by it, and I don't think I'll ever stop using it. You can't even see it sitting on your skin at all. I feel like I've forgotten something. Have I forgotten something? Okay, and then just to finish with a little bit of pizzazz, I'll just stick on a bit of lippy. So I'm going to go for the Stila Stay All Day in shade Romanza. Popping on a little bit of lipstick, for me, just always finishes the look. Okay, so we are done. I'll just do my hair and then I'll show you me done. That is me for the day. Oh. My earring just fell out. Oh dear. Maybe I'm not done for the day. Put that back in. Thank you for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. I think next week I might do like a skincare routine. And yeah, have a lovely day.